Rico here. Just want to jump on and give a quick little testimonial video here for Khallid's course. I have been in this course now for since May of this year of 2018. Um, just want to say thank you. Thank you to Khallid because he really has changed my financial future, of course. Um, and just knowing that it doesn't take a lot of capital to do this here. So um, early in the year, I had stumbled. I was looking into just to make extra income, make money. Of course, I'm like, man, I want to make extra money here because I kind of needed it. Um, so I stumbled upon network marketing. Really wasn't my thing. It was kind of tough. Um, just something that I wasn't falling into place. Then I stumbled upon videos for phone flipping. Of course, his wasn't the first video. There was other ones that I had seen first on YouTube, but then and I stumbled upon his. I subscribed to his channel, of course, YouTube channel, and I just started following the guy. Started following him, and he's got the Facebook page. Got on that page right there, and from there, I'm just seeing what people are posting, how they're doing it, and whatnot. And I'm like, you know what? I need some help here. So I tried with of course, at first I had done the free content, and it just wasn't working. Just wasn't working. And then Khallid put it out on his on the Facebook page that he was going to do a consultation call, and I had already bought a phone, excited for this phone. So when I'm talking to Khallid, he straight up told me, he's like, yeah, you overpaid. You overpaid for that phone. So I wasn't even appraising my phones the right way. So I knew then that I had to get some help. Um, his course at the time was $397, I believe. And for the price, I mean, you can't really beat the price. You know, there's other courses out there that are about $1,000 or more. But something about him, Khallid himself, just being answering my questions, even when I wasn't even a course member. He's just answering questions for people, helping out people. You can tell right off the bat that he cared. He cares about you. He cares what you're doing. He's even done follow-up. He still does follow-ups on me. He's like, hey, how's business going, man? And I don't know if any other people do that, but from coming from him, I thought, hey, you know, he just gave it all these videos and here you go. No, he cares. He hits you. He follows up with you. So his course is pretty straightforward. I mean, you can't, of course, you need to start off somewhere. So he basically gives it to you right off the bat, how it is, you know, getting your eBay account, your PayPal account going, your ads, where to post your ads, appraising your phones, talking to people, negotiating, you know, all those things. His course just lays it out one by one. Real simple, short. It's not a super long course where you're going to spend a whole 1 week or 2 weeks on it. No, it's pretty simple. And it doesn't take a lot of capital to do this. For me, this November has been probably it has been my best month yet. I think I'm up to about, I don't know, this is eBay though. This is eBay only. I think I was almost close to $8,000 in sales. I do, of course, I use other platforms as well as local sales, private buyers, that sort of thing. It's all in Khallid's course. He tells you where to start off, get seasoned with it, and then you can look for other things. But Khallid's course is the one that did it for me. It's the one that got me to doing what I do now, got me to where I'm at now, and I'm excited. I'm excited with it. I still go back to the course. I still go right back to the videos when I'm having problems, or when I'm like, you know what, I'm just like, what's going on here? Not appraising, conversations, you know, when I can't close a deal, I'm like, what am I doing wrong here? And I've even messaged Khallid. I'm like, hey, bud, I'm not. not closing deals here, you know, and just got to change your wording around. But you know, I work a normal a 9 to 5 job, eight to five, okay, 40 hours a week, and I'm doing all this after work. Okay, after work, sometimes before work, I'm meeting people, but all this is right after work, and I'm able to make an extra $2,000-3,000, you know, uh, just off his course, just off after work. So it has really, really helped. Um, if you're looking for a little side hustle or just to make some extra income, phone flipping is a very, very good little business to get into. You know, during his course and during all this time, I got into repairs. So I repair as well. So that's one thing that I'm really fond of. Um, I enjoy it. I like taking phones apart, putting them back together, and then, you know, turn around, flipping them for a little more. Um, but I take great pride in what I do, thanks to his course and thanks to his mentorship that he still gives me. Um, I can say for the price that he has, it's a really, really good deal. I bought the course at full price. I think now he's got a monthly subscription, but even when I bought the course, I made my money back within my first 2 flips. I made it right back, and I have made a lot more since then, a lot more. So if if you're looking for something, I say jump on the Khallid's course here, man. Um, you're doing an investment in yourself. You know, you're teaching yourself something. You're learning, um, and you get to meet some pretty cool people along the way. You know, um, so remember, this is an investment in yourself, um, and it's something that nobody can take away from you at the end of the day because you started doing this. It's a business, just like Khallid says. It is a business, so be professional, okay, on everything that you do. Um, I have literally taken every word of advice that he gives me. You know, I'm professional. I'm courteous with everybody. That's a big key thing, of course. But um, yeah, just wanted to say I really appreciate everything that he put out, all the content that he's put out. Thank you to him again, um, and thank you guys.